Yeah, this one's heartbreaking, and particularly because a lot of the news we used to hear before was that the elderly are most vulnerable, and then persons with underlying conditions, and on top of that, no one wants to hear about death,
No.
much less a 4-year-old child. So this one is very heartbreaking. 4-year-old diagnosed with COVID-19, died at Cornwall Regional Hospital. Wow. Our hearts go out to the parents. What do you say? This one's tough.
It is.
This one's tough.
It's impossible.
It's tough. And guys, when we say stay home, these are the things we're talking about. This COVID is a monster. It's a monster. It's here for everyone. So, don't believe that because they're children, you cannot, let them go on outside, man. I picnic them can't do anything. This, I can't imagine the parents this morning and other family members. We extend our condolences to you.